another video. I'm Kriti. Today we do pronoun and its kind. So let's get started. Firstly, we do what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. The words they, she, he and it are used in place of nouns. We call them pronouns. Example, she or her, them or they, it are called our pronouns. Then we do kinds of pronoun. There are 8 kinds: personal, possessive, reflexive, demonstrative, indefinite, relative, interrogative, distributive are 8 kinds of our pronoun. Then we do the first pronoun is our personal pronoun. The personal pronouns refer to the person speaking, the person spoken to, and the person, place, or thing spoken about. Example, in our personal pronoun, there are first, second, and third persons. First is I, second person is you, and third is she. In example, first is Raj, second is Sham, and third person is our Rita. Raj spoken about Rita to Sham is our personal pronoun. Personal pronoun in singular form, first person is I, second person is you, third person is it, he, and she. In plural form, first is we, second is you, and third is they. Then we do possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possessions or ownership. This pen is my pen, not your pen. In possessive pronoun, this pen is mine, not yours. Mine, yours, his, hers, our, yours, their are our possessive pronoun. Then we do reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are used when a person or thing is referring to the same person or thing. These are part of personal pronoun, ends with self, singular, or selves in plural. There are 8 reflexive pronouns: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves are our reflexive pronoun. Then we do demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are used to show or identify one or a number of nouns that may be far or near in distance or time. They are only 4 in number: this, that, these, and those. These and that are singular, and these and those are plural. In example, this hat, that hat, these hats, and those hats are example of our demonstrative pronoun. Then we do indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun are used when sentence does not refer to any specific person, thing, or amount. Example, I just heard something. Many have come already. All have arrived. And we do relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is a pronoun that introduced a relative clause. It is called relative pronoun because it relates to the word that is modified. Example, the woman who is speaking is my aunt. The man to whom I spoke is my uncle. The boy whose dog is lost give a reward, etc. are called our relative pronoun. Then we do interrogative. Interrogative pronouns are question words to use to inquire about person or thing that we do not know about. It's called interrogative pronoun. There are 5 main interrogative pronouns: what, who, whom, which, and whose are our interrogative pronoun. Then we do distributive pronoun. The distributive pronoun, the pronoun which refer to person or thing one at a time, are called distributive pronoun. Example, either, neither, each. You can drink either tea or coffee. She can neither see TV nor play. Each of us bought the book, etc. are our distributive pronoun. Our topic is finished. I hope you will understand. Otherwise, please tell your problem in the comment box, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for latest video. Thank you.